Right, I hope everyone's doing alright. Just a quick video of I suppose a pigeon trap or a bird trap, but just made from pretty much completely home items, if you know what I mean. So rather than stuff outside, stuff you can find in your house, because you might end up in an maybe a bug-in situation and you can't go outside collecting sticks to make a cage or a trap trigger. So I was just trying to think of ways of making a trap but with household items. So we've got a box for the cage, not going to hold much, but it would hold birds, and you could also tie a book on top to add some extra weight. And then the actual trigger is made out of barbecue skewers. I think they're made out of bamboo, so they're like wood. And because they're quite thin, instead of doing a notch, because this is basically an Arapuca trigger, instead of doing a notch, I've just added here just a piece of duct tape. So that one there is just pushing up against the duct tape. The top is holding the cage. It wants to be pushed this way, so these two sticks at the bottom hold that back, if you know what I mean. So a pretty simple trap you could make from just items in your house, rather than having to go out and find sticks and stuff. So you put your bait at the back in there, and then the pigeon or whatever bird stands on one of these two sticks, knocks them away, and then the trap will come down. So I'll set it up for you so you can see how easy it is. Right, so setting it, get you one with your duct tape. It goes like that. This one there, make sure it's getting good perches at the bottom. Quite fiddly, but I think it's these bamboo skewers have not got much contact on them. Mind you, that's better for setting it off. A little bit of a sod to set, but not too bad. But a trap which is harder to set sometimes goes off easier. Right, so anyway, yeah, and simple trap made out of household items. If you didn't have bamboo skewers, you could possibly use pencils, pens, or maybe just get something wood, break it up, split it up, so you've got some sort of wood to make a trigger out of. Alright, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.